there. Today I'll tell you about how to fix sorry and unexpected error occurred activation. For this, first open your web browser and go to Activision website. Then from there you will top right corner you will see an option login. Just click on it. Then you will see your email password and sign in. You don't have to click there, and you have to click forgot your password. Then you have to input your email address here. Then select submit. Then an email will be sent to your mail address. Now go check your email inbox. Activision should have sent you an email with instruction on how to reset your password. Open the email from Activision and follow the instruction inside. Reset your password. They usually give you a link to click on your some steps to follow. Now go back to login page again, and now enter your email address and password. Then select I am not a robot and then sign in. And that's how you can fix this issue. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment, and to get more this type of solution, subscribe our channel.